So as you can see here, we've got good humidity, 91.1, and yeah, so the ink bird's doing its thing. Here it is climbing up, so that's really good. And I'll need to top up the water as well in the bin, so I'll do that to show you as well. My other modification, and don't laugh at my carpentry, was to raise the reservoir in the grow tent here. So yeah, had some old bits of wood lying around, made this table stand thing. So now my reservoir is way off the ground, and the distance for the mist to go is just a lot shorter, that's all. And I think it improved it dramatically, actually.